So hey students, today we are going to do some MCQs from hydrogen chapter and it will be whole NCERT example. Okay. So our first question is hydrogen resembles halogen in many respects for which several factors are responsible. Of the following factors, which one is the most important in this respect? Its tendency to lose an electron to form a cation, its tendency to gain a single electron in its valence cells to attain a stable electronic configuration, its low negative electron gain enthalpy value, its small size. So our answer goes to its tendency to gain a single electron in its valence cells to attain a stable electronic configuration. Why does H plus ion always get associated with other atoms or molecules? Ionization enthalpy of hydrogen resembles that of alkali metals. Its reactivity is similar to halogens. It resembles both alkali metals and halogens. Loss of an electron from hydrogen atom results in a nucleus of very small size as compared to other atoms or ions due to small size. It cannot exist free. So our answer goes to loss of electron from hydrogen atoms results in nucleus of very small size as compared to other atoms or ions. Due to small size, it cannot exist free. Okay. Metal hydrides are ionic, covalent or molecular in nature. Among LiH, NaH, KH and RBH and CSH, the correct order of increasing ionic character is this one. Okay. Which of the following hydrides is electron precise hydride? So our answer is CH4, CH, H, H and H. It is electron precise. Okay. Radioactive elements emit alpha, beta and gamma rays and are characterized by their half-lives. The radioactive isotope of hydrogen is tritium. Radioactive isotope. Consider the reaction. Which of the following statement is correct about H2O2 with reference to the reactions? Hydrogen peroxide is an oxidizing agent in A and reducing agent in B. How? We can see that here I is in -1 and I is in 0. -1 to 0 state in this. Okay. And here you can see that chlorine is in -1 and here it is in -2 plus 1 plus x equal to 0. So x equal to +1. From +1 it's going to -1. So here reduction occur and here oxidation occur. So oxidizing agents are reduced and reducing agents are oxidized. So we can say that oxidizing agent in one and reducing agent in B. Okay. The oxide that gives H2O2 on treatment with dilute H2SO4 is BaO2.8H2O plus O2. Which of the following equation depict the oxidizing nature of H2O2? Okay, so this is because from -1 it's going to 0 state. Okay, so oxidizing nature of H2O2. Which of the following equation depicts reducing nature of H2O2? Because from 0 it is going into -1 state. Okay, so reducing nature. Hydrogen peroxide is both an oxidizing and a reducing agent, as we have seen in the upward reactions. Which of the following reactions increase production of dihydrogen from synthetic gas? It's this one. When sodium peroxide is treated with dilute H2SO4, what we get is sodium sulfate and hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is obtained by electrolysis of sulfuric acid. Which of the following reaction is an example of use of water gas in the synthesis of other compounds? This one. Which of the following ions will cause hardness in water sample? So our answer is calcium and magnesium cause hardness of the water. Hard water. Okay. Which of the following compounds is used for water softening? So our answer goes to Na6P6O18. NaPO3 whole 6. Okay. Elements of which of the following groups of periodic table do not form hydrides? Do not form hydrides. So our answer goes to group 7, 8 and 9. Group 7, 8 and 9 does not form hydrides. Okay. Only one element of group 6 forms hydride. Multiple choice questions. In the following questions, 2 or more options may be correct. So our answer is, which of the following statements are not true for hydrogen? So our answer is, it can lose electrons to form a cation which can freely exist. It's not correct. And it form a large number of ionic compounds by losing an electron. It's also incorrect. Dihydrogen can be prepared on commercial scale by different methods. In its preparation by the action of steam on hydrocarbons, a mixture of CO and H2 gas is formed. It is known as water gas or syngas. Syngas or water gas. Which of the following statement is or are correct in case of heavy water? So, heavy water is used as moderator in nuclear reactor. Moderator. Okay. Heavy water is more associated than ordinary water. Which of the following statement about hydrogen are correct? Hydrogen has 3 isotopes, of which protium is the most common, and hydrogen never acts as cation in ionic salts. Some of the properties of water are described below. Which of them are not correct? There is no hydrogen bonding in the frozen state of water. Frozen water is heavier than liquid water. These both are incorrect. Hardness of water may be temporary or permanent. Permanent hardness is due to presence of chloride of calcium and magnesium in water and sulfates of calcium and magnesium in water. Soft water and hard water. Permanent hardness and temporary hardness. Okay. Which of the following statement is correct? All elements of group 14 from electron precise hydride like CH4, SiH4. Electron precise hydride have tetrahedral geometries. Like when you will find about CH4, then how 1 half upon 4 plus 4 equal to 8 upon 2, that is 4. sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridized. So tetrahedral. Tetrahedral geometry. Okay. How we can make a tetrahedral like this? 1 minute. How is a tetrahedral shape is made out? So what we do is like this. Okay, and when we place H, H, H and H. Okay. Which of the following statements is correct? Hydrides of group 13 act as Lewis acid and hydrides of group 15 act as Lewis bases like NH3 and group 13 like BH3 ALH3. Which of the following statements is correct? Metallic hydrides are deficient of hydrogen. Metallic hydrides conduct heat and electricity. Ionic hydrides do not conduct electricity in solid state. Okay. So all the best for your exams.